I will show the hotel room, and this is just outside my hotel room's door, and this is my room number 728. Bath. Next to the toilet there is a bathroom. Oh, there is a toilet here also. There is a weighing scale. I'm definitely going to check my weight today. How much do I weigh? And then there is this tub. The tub is really very huge. It's like the size of a bed. No, actually it is of the size of a queen bed. Opposite the bathroom, the first bathroom, the toilet, we have a closet here. And we have pillows and towels, bathroom, slippers, safe, shoe polish, iron board, iron, and we also have an ironing board inside. And next to this one more wardrobe. With hangers and all. There is this full-length mirror. And then here you have OTG. There's a wash basin. Then you have cabinets down. Okay, you see the dustbin comes out and also goes in. I love this mechanism. This side you have drawers, and in drawers you have the entire cutlery like forks, spoons and small spoons, knife and a ladle. Second one is empty, and the third one is having some pots and pan. Then this is the glass cooktop. This is for preparing your coffee, water, coffee maker. And then you also have a small fridge. Then you have glasses in case you want to drink wine or some soft drink or water. You have some more glassware and teacups. And this is the room. I can put my luggage here. There's a dustbin there. a long table to work with the telephone and the hotel book, remote, mirror, a TV which is like 50-inch lamp. We have some drawers. There are 3 drawers, and then there's a cabinet here. Oh, this is a fridge. Oh yes, there's some stuff like some gummy bears and some almonds, coke, beer, wine. There are some bottles of some cool drinks and all. Okay, this is a bar book and a dining table with 4 chairs, lamp, curtain. This is a balcony, and this is the view, beautiful view you get from here. And I can show you the view. So with chairs, this is a balcony, and then we have a photo frame on a wall, lamp, a maroon couch, table, and this is movable. Yes, this is movable. Okay, it's a curtain. So this is how the room looks like. It's very huge, very spacious. So it's like living room and the dining room. This is your bedroom. You have your kitchenette. You have a toilet, and you have a bathroom with a toilet again. And yeah, this is the sliding door.